solo fill cup, and this is actually a cup for filling the Keurig cup coffee cups. And this is actually in red, and it has, I think it has stainless steel and some pretty sturdy looking plastic. There it is. This is how it looks. And the way it works is that you fill it up with coffee, and once it's full of coffee, like I'll show you with this coffee right here that I have, hold it, get yourself some coffee. 1, 2, so that's about how much I fill it with. So just close it. Make sure that it's closed all the way around. Once you have your full coffee filter cup, then you can remove this typical filter, and basically hopefully you start saving with these. Sorry about the shake there. And just pop it in there. It actually fits pretty good. As you can see, it's basically the same thing. And there you go. Then you just continue, put your thing together, turn it on, put your coffee away, and get your favorite cup out. Get some coffee in there, and make sure you put some water. I use this filter to filter regular tap water, and then just throw in some coffee water. And wait for it. So we're waiting for these lights right here to turn on. And once they turn on, then we can actually make our coffee. Oh, see, they turned on already. So now I close this, and it recognizes that it has a cup in there. Press the cup button, and there it goes. And it's making that noise where it sounds like it's making coffee. There it goes. And there is our finished product right there. Fresh coffee.